What's up guys, I'm Alan, and today we're checking out the VOGMA VMONSTER cordless air duster. Quick disclaimer that I did receive this for free to review. This retails for $30 on Amazon, but there's actually a 10% off coupon available right now. I'm going to have this listed down in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourself. This thing's pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and jump into the review. In the box you'll find the user's manual, a storage bag with a drawstring, the 2-in-1 cordless vacuum and blower. It also includes tons of attachments. You have an upholstery tool. The attachment on the right can be used for airing up inflatable pool toys. The attachment on the left can be used for airing up an air mattress or as a vacuum bag nozzle. The gray part is removable. Here we have more cleaning attachments. A couple of them also have brushes on the end, and it also includes a cleaning brush, which is super useful on keyboards or other hard to reach surfaces. And last, we have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable is also included, and that is everything that you'll find in the box. Let's take a look at some of the features. You can use this as a blower or as a vacuum. Quick note about the vacuum, it doesn't collect the dirt, it just shoots it out the other end. So be aware of that. There are 2 buttons on the device. One is a power button and the other switches gears. There are 3 power levels. I cleaned out my PlayStation 5 with this blower and it was a great experience. I used the highest power setting. Now it does get a bit noisy, but that's to be expected for a device that is moving a lot of air, and I personally like how powerful it is. You could use this for cleaning keyboards, PCs, gaming consoles, and other electronic devices. It also can be used for inflating things like this air mattress. I'm definitely taking this with me next time I go camping because it's super convenient. You can also use the vacuum function when you're done for faster deflation, so it's a super useful piece of tech. Let's talk a bit about charging and battery life. I love that this device has a USB-C charging port. I just plugged it into my MacBook charger, so it was very convenient. The screen shows how much battery is left. It shows when the battery is at 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and dead. It has a 2000 milliamp battery, and the battery life is good. On the first gear, you'll get about 20 minutes of continuous use. The second gear gets about 18 minutes, and the third gear gets about 15 minutes. I was able to clean my PS5 and a couple of other electronics and still had 50% battery life when I was done. It takes a lot of energy to move air at a high rate of speed, and the fan goes up to 100,000 RPM. One downside is that it does take about 3.5 hours to charge, and you can't use it while it's charging. So if you're someone that plans on using this all day long, you may want to look at a different device. But if you're like me, just want to use it for a few minutes here and there, it's perfect and isn't too expensive. Well guys, I think that's about all I can say about this thing. I'm really impressed with it, and it made cleaning out my PlayStation 5 really easy, and I'm looking forward to having this around the studio for cleaning out other gaming consoles and electronics. I'm also getting into retro gaming, so this is going to be really helpful, for cleaning out some of those retro consoles that have a ton of dust built up over the years. So it's sweet. Don't forget it's listed down in the description, and there's a coupon available on Amazon right now as well. So make a great gift for someone in your family or a friend as well if you want. But don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. I'm butchering this ending. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.